Hi there, I have happy mail and I want to show you what the amazingly talented and super generous Jen Schow sent me. I adore Jen Schow's work. I've adored her scrapbooking work for a long time and I love her artwork. And yeah, I'm just so happy that she sent me some goodies. I'm so pleased. So she did send, I had a sneak peek because it came in the other day and I was super busy and knew that I wouldn't have a chance to record. But she also sent me this amazing handmade card in addition to a whole bunch of stickers because she was excited that I'm getting into stickers. She's into stickers and wanted to share some goodies with me. So she sent me this really beautiful card, which I adore. I think she did some watercolor and some die cutting here. Really love this. This is going to go in my little, well, I put these cards up whenever people send me cards. I put them up in my room for a while and then eventually they go into a little special box that I have where I keep all of my YouTube cards. She also sent me this really cute patch from the BFF Sticker Club, which I was totally eyeing this in their shop, so I'm super happy to have one. And she sent me a ton of stickers in this really cute Ellie Edwards little folder. So I spy some BFF Sticker Club stickers, so hooray for that. I love those stickers. And lots of little goodies. So I was telling Jen that I love being involved in the BFF Sticker Club. I'm just going to grab my sticker book, which I bought the book and I have been going along. I've been stickering my days. So these are like the dated days that you can put, kind of like capture your day in sticker format, like as a form of documenting and stress relief and all of that. And then I've also been playing along with the challenges as well. I did the first one, nostalgia. Well, it wasn't the first one. It's like I'm kind of coming in the middle of all of this. They've been doing it for over a year. But the first one for me was nostalgia. Then I did stickers in detention. And then I did pride. And I haven't done this week's yet. This week is sticker your favorite pet. And I kind of want to hoard all of my cat stickers. So I'm going to have a hard time stickering a whole page of cats. So I was thinking about actually drawing a little square in the middle and stickering cats in a smaller space so I don't use up all my stickers, because it sounds kind of weird because I have a ton of supplies in my craft room and lots of them are stickers, but I actually don't have a lot of stickers. Like I do now because of Jen, and I've gotten a few sticker club hauls, so now I'm good. But back when I first started chatting with Jen, I was just telling her that I didn't have many stickers and she sent me all of these, so it was so kind of her. So I put this on fast forward because otherwise this video is going to be very long. But these are really adorable little stickers and I love that they have some craft supplies in them. And then these ones are super cute too. I like the little girls. I like that they're full body and that they have cute little outfits on. Now this set was really adorable. I think these are little bunnies and they're so cute. And I found one in here that looks like it has a little headache, like it has a little ice pack on its head. And my daughter right now, as I was opening these, was recovering from wisdom tooth surgery. And so I just put the bunny so that it was like laying on its side so that it looked like the pillow might have been another ice pack on his cheek. And I just put it in with my sticker a day under today. Now these are super adorable and I've seen other people using similar stickers to these and I didn't know where they were getting them from or what kind of brand they were or anything. So I think it's awesome that now I have some of these super cute little characters as well to use in my sticker a day and in my challenges. Now these, I was so impressed. These are cute little birds or little chicks or something, and a lot of them are playing video games, and I love this for documenting my day because I often play video games. So then I have these really cute BFF Sticker Club sheets, and these are all sheets that I already have, but it's always nice to have extras. I always feel kind of bad putting a sticker on the sheet and knowing that it's the last one, so it's nice to have doubles. Then some really cute farm animals, and I like that those farm animals point in different directions. And then this set is all cats, and they look like they're Siamese cats, and that's what I have. So I have 4 Siamese cats, so these stickers are perfect for me. I really love this set with the household stuff in it, like furniture and stuff. And then there's a set of this bunny character who I have already on another set that I have. So they're going to be super cute and fun to work with as well. Lots of emotions. And this is probably my favorite set of stickers that Jen sent me. I just love these little girls, and I really love their little outfits and how, I guess, cottagecore they kind of look. Love, love, love them. And there's all kinds of cats on these sheets too. Not all of the animals are cats. Some of them look like they're maybe bears. This set is really cute. I love the fall theme, and it looks like a little country farm type of scene that you could set. These are really cute. I love the artwork in these. They're kind of funky and yeah, super cool. And these ones are hilarious. I've already used some of these on a spread. They're just so cute. That one is a girl who's in a dating app, and her only match is a cat. I love that one. I've used that one already. And then these little girls are super cute as well, and it's like a vellum sticker. And then these little guys are also super cute. Lots of those as well, and a whole bunch of coffee cups and some drinks, some mixed drinks like cocktails. My husband is into making cocktails, so that's going to be a lot of fun. I could see myself using those in scrapbooking or in project life as well. And then she also sent along some traveling postcards, which are little postcards that you send along from person to person, and each person adds some stickers and there's a theme. And so I'm going to get to take part in that as well by putting in my own little set of stickers and then sending it on to the next person. So thanks so much for watching, and a great big thanks to Jen for sending me all of these goodies. I can't wait to use them in stickering and also in scrapbooking and project life. So thanks so much for watching this unique little video. It's always fun to share happy mail with YouTubers. So thanks so much for watching, and have a really great scrappy week.